Understanding lap joint in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we aim to help you enhance your English language skills. Today, we have an interesting topic to discuss: the phrase, lap joint. You might have heard this term in construction, woodworking, or even in general conversations when people talk about connecting things together. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what a lap joint is and how to use this term in your conversations. So, let's get started. A lap joint is a term commonly used in woodworking and metalworking. It refers to a technique where two pieces of material, such as wood, metal, or other substances, are joined together by overlapping them. Key components: two pieces of material. These could be wood planks, metal sheets, or other similar objects. Overlapping. One piece is laid over the other, creating a layered effect. The main idea behind a lap joint is to create a strong and stable connection between two pieces, which is crucial in construction and various crafting projects. There are several different types of lap joints, and understanding these can help you get a better grasp of the term. Here are a few examples. 1. Simple lap joint. Basic overlap. One piece lies flat on top of the other. Usage: commonly used in woodworking for joining boards together. 2. Mitered lap joint. Angled cut. The ends of the pieces are cut at an angle before being overlapped. Usage: provides a more aesthetic finish and is often used in frame construction. 3. Cross lap joint. Intersection. Two pieces intersect at a point, with a notch cut out from each piece to create the overlap. Usage: used when two pieces need to be joined at a right angle. Understanding when and where to use the term lap joint is crucial for clear communication, especially if you are involved in construction, woodworking, or any form of crafting. 1. Construction and woodworking. Talking about techniques. When discussing how to join two pieces of material together. Describing a project. Explaining the steps or materials involved in building something. 2. Everyday conversations. While this term is more technical, it might still appear in everyday conversations, especially if someone is describing a DIY project or something they made. And that's a wrap on lap joints. We hope this video has helped clear up what a lap joint is and how you can use this term in your English conversations. Remember, it's all about understanding the context and the technical aspects of the term. Don't forget to practice using it in sentences to really cement your knowledge. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy learning!